Hello everyone, welcome to the third series in the A to Z learning of stock market by Dalal Street Finance. In this video, we will be seeing how we can make double returns in the stock market by investing the same amount that we bring for the trading. First, what we will do is we will bring the money from the bank account and we will be buying mutual funds. We will be buying the selective mutual funds which has 4 stars and above, and then we will be pledging that mutual fund to get the margin for trading. Let's see the details inside the video. Before moving ahead, let's see a quick recap of what we have learned till now. We have learned about the stock market ecosystem in the first series, where the bank, brokers, the DEMAT account, the clearing houses, and then the national exchange, then back to the trading account, and money being pulled back from trading account to the bank account as profits. This ecosystem has been learned in detail in first series. In case you haven't watched it, please watch from the start. And in the second series, we watched about the Nifty, Fin Nifty, and Bank Nifty index. What are the components in it? Who are having the high weightage, etc., and many other details. And what will move the index, and how much weightage is the different institutions have in the indexes, all have been discussed in detail in the second video. Now in the third video, we will see how we will bring the money from the bank to the trading account during different steps like buying mutual funds, and then we will be pledging it, and by pledging we will be getting the margin to trade in the stock market, and by this we will be making double profit. Let's see. Investment or trading. The first step here is we will move the money into the trading account from the bank, and then we will be buying good mutual funds for this money which we have moved into the trading account. Actually, even if it is a good mutual fund, we should always buy it in the dip, or we should invest it in the SIP model, where we have to invest, like say if you have 10 lakhs, you will have to invest it 1 lakhs per month. So once we buy the mutual fund, we will have to pledge the mutual fund to get the margin and do trading on that margin amount. In this way, you will get profit in mutual fund as well as profit in the trading. Okay. This is the investment journey where the money will be there in the bank, and then it will be moved to the trading account. And from the trading account, you can see the mutual funds, the best ones, the selected ones, and you will buy that. Then you will pledge these mutual funds, and with the margin, you will be trading the future and options. So what is this pledging? Assume we have the account and we have moved the money into the account, and now we are going and buying the mutual funds. And once mutual fund is bought, now what we will do is pledging. We will see the details of pledging in this video. And what is pledging? Pledging is like taking a loan, but it's not exactly that loan, because we will not pay any interest here. So in this pledging diagram, we can see that you are pledging the gold and you are getting the money. But here for this pledging, say for 1 lakh, you will have to pay 7% interest. But in this pledging, you will have the mutual fund in your portfolio, and you will be pledging the mutual fund, and you will be getting around 90 to 92.5% of the money That's the margin which is available in the mutual fund. And 7.5 percentage to 10%, they will cut the money as the haircut. Okay. And the remaining will be credited to your trading account. Say if you are having a mutual fund for 1 lakh, they will deduct 7,500 to 10,500 based on the mutual fund which you have. And then they will credit the remaining 90,000 to 92,500 back to your account, trading account. So with that account, you can try trading the future and options. Why we are pledging is because while pledging, we will get profit in the mutual funds which you have in the account also. That will also grow to around 10 to 15%. And then you will also get money around 20% to 25% or 30% in the trading also. So total you will cross 30 to 40 percentage annually in your total capital. So that is the reason why we are pledging and we are trading. And pledging gives passive income as money is invested in mutual fund. So this mutual fund also grow by time. And so your money, the 10 lakhs, say assume 10 lakhs you have invested, then 10 lakhs will also grow to like around 11 lakhs or 12 lakhs in the mutual fund itself. And then you will get the margin also there for trading. So you will have double income. So at least you can make easily 30% or above in the year. I request you to continue watching this channel. We will be placing all the details one by one, and we will be covering every trading strategies, every trading methods under this channel, and it will be a great lesson for you. And so continue watching, and it's absolutely free. And now set the expectation, what you have to expect from the market. Always when you are setting the expectation, be realistic with your expectations. So realistic expectations are easily achievable and it motivates when you achieve it. If your expectation is not realistic, then it is very difficult to achieve it. So when you don't achieve your expectation, then you will lose your motivation. And when you set realistic expectation, your capital will be protected, which means you are exposed to less risk. And when you do the realistic expectation, you can get a long run in the stock market. When you do a long run in the stock market, like Buffett or like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, you can also survive in all dips and ups in the market, and in long term, you will also become a very hugely profitable person. And next, let's see what Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the Indian bull, is saying about his expectation from the stock market.
What is stock market? I think if I get 18% return on my portfolio, I'm a king. If I get 21%, I'm an emperor. So, boss, either it's not you're going to get 40% return, 80% return. So, yaar fir
Now, let us see how to do pledging via a live demo. This pledging has been done in the Zerodha account. The mutual fund is there in the Zerodha account. The mutual fund will get displayed in the coin site of Zerodha, and from there I will be doing the pledging. We'll see all the details live. So let's see how we will be pledging. So how we will be investing the money, we have already seen in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, please, I recommend it to watch it before watching this one, because first you will have to know how the money has been invested into the different mutual funds. This process is the second step, where we pledge the mutual fund and we will get the margin. Normally, the mutual funds will get around 7 to 10% of haircut. A haircut is just, like they will be keeping some amount in blocked and they'll be releasing the remaining amount to your account. So that blocking is called haircut. Like when you give the 1 gram of gold to pledge in the bank, they will not be giving the current value. They will be giving slightly less than that. Actually, that is slight amount. There will be some that around 10% of the value they will be blocking it. That is called a haircut, which that they will keep it for the price fluctuation. And in this video, we will see how we will be pledging our mutual fund. So I have three items, mutual fund, and this one we will not be able to pledge. I think Zerodha doesn't allow this one to pledge. So if you see now, you can see that this item cannot be pledged. If it's pledgeable, then we'll get another window where we can see it in the next one. See, I am going to pledge the Motilal Oswal after. So I will have to give the Sagiri button, and then I will have to enter the quantity that has to be pledged, which is quantity is 460.09. I am giving all. If you want to give half, you can give half also. Whatever quantity within this 0 to this one, you can give it for pledge. I'm giving it full. Okay, so it has to be in multiples of 1, so we will have to give 460. Okay. There will be a charge of around 15 rupees, I guess. And this, we got a message saying that pledge request of this is successful. Please authorize pledge on CDSL. An email with more details has been sent. Okay. So this pledge has been successfully done. And then we will go to this one. We'll pledge this also. This is a SIP actually. So every month I'll be paying 5,000 for this SIP, and currently it is in 7% profit, and the Motilal Oswal is in 8%, 8 to 9% profit. So I like to pledge this also to get margin. So see, for 16.95 you are getting 15.68 for trading. Only 7.5% of haircut is there actually. Okay. So which means you are getting 92.5% of this amount for pledging. So basically, if you bring 10 lakh into this fund, then you will get around 9.9 lakhs 25,000 for trading. Okay. So I'll give this full quantity pledged. Okay, and submit this. Yes, this is also pledged. So once this pledge is done, you can see here it is locked. You can't sell it actually. You can't redeem it actually. Okay. So this is the pledge process. So tomorrow I will have a margin in my DEMAT account, additional margin. So I will be able to use that margin for trading. Okay. So it will be, and the value will be around 74,000, and then it is 84,000. Something around 75,000 plus we will be getting for trading. Okay. Okay, so that's it in today's video. So hope you got some useful information of how to pledge the mutual funds and get the margin in the trading account. Key takeaways. In this video, we have seen how to buy mutual funds, why we are buying mutual funds, and we have learned what is pledging and why we are pledging, and also we saw live video on how to do pledging. Hope you found this useful. If you find this useful, please use a thumbs button, as well as please subscribe to this channel. We will be posting continuously good content videos like this, which I believe will be useful for you. Thanks for watching. And if you do not have any account till now, please use the links given below in the description box to create the account. Thank you.